In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Asana, view task and project activity log. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to understand who changed what and when, so you can quickly trace updates, resolve confusion, and keep your projects on track. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the project you want to review. This could be any project where you're trying to understand the sequence of changes on a task. Once you're in the project, look through the task list or board and select the specific task you want to investigate. Clicking the task opens its Details panel, usually on the right side of your screen. Inside the task details, you'll see the description, assignee, due date, custom fields, subtasks, and comments. To access the full history, keep scrolling down through the task details. If the task is busy with subtasks, attachments, or a long description, don't worry, just continue past those sections. You're aiming for the very bottom of the task details panel, where the activity feed lives. When you reach the feed, you may initially see only comments. To expand your view, click All Activity. This switches the feed from just conversation to the complete activity log. Now you'll see a chronological trail of everything that's happened on the task. When it was created, who assigned or unassigned it, due date changes, custom field edits, section moves, status changes like completed or reopened, and additions or removals of attachments. Each entry includes the teammate responsible and a timestamp, giving you a reliable audit trail. It's especially helpful when a deadline shifts, a task jumps between sections, or you need to confirm exactly when a dependency was added. Think of all activity as your single source of truth for a task's lifecycle. If you're reviewing history across a project, open the key tasks one by one, and repeat this process to build a clear picture of progress and decision-making. A quick tip: if you don't see the All Activity option, make sure you've scrolled fully to the bottom of the task details and that the panel is wide enough on your screen. The label can sit just below the comments area. That's all there is to it. Go to your project, open the task, scroll to the bottom, and switch to All Activity. With this view, you can confidently track changes, answer stakeholder questions, and keep your work moving smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Asana.